How to sell Worldcoin on Binance. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to sell Worldcoin on Binance. So for that case, you have to go to login into your Binance account. When you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page. So from the home page, on the search box, type in Worldcoin. So when you actually locate Worldcoin, you need to go and select that. And here you can see this is how it's gonna look like. So to sell this, you need to press the sell button. As you press the sell button, then you'll be able to see this sort of interface. So you could go ahead and select world USDT. So over here you can just go ahead and type in Worldcoin once again. And when you actually locate Worldcoin, then you could go ahead and select that. And if you want to get in return the USDT, then you can also go ahead and enable that feature by following this. Then you can click on the sell button by entering all of these amount. Once you've done that, you'll have successfully sold Worldcoin on Binance. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.